Hi everyone, well to the channel. Intro. Visual, dynamic shots of the 2025 Isuzu Piazza driving on various terrains. Narrator, welcome to the future of driving. This is the all-new 2025 Isuzu Piazza, a vehicle that redefines what it means to be an SUV. Exterior design. Visual, close-up shots of the Piazza's sleek lines, futuristic headlights, and bold grille. Narrator, the Piazza's exterior is a masterpiece of modern design, blending aggressive styling with aerodynamic efficiency. Its sculpted body and sharp lines exude confidence and sophistication. Interior. Visual, shots of the Piazza's spacious, tech-laden interior. Narrator, step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's as luxurious as it is functional. Premium materials, advanced technology, and ample legroom create a truly comfortable and immersive driving experience. Performance. Visual, footage of the Piazza accelerating, cornering, and off-roading. Narrator, powered by mention engine type and specifications, the Piazza delivers exhilarating performance that's matched only by its efficiency. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling challenging terrain, this SUV has the power and capability to handle any situation. Technology. Visual, demonstrations of the Piazza's advanced features, such as its infotainment system, driver assistance technologies, and connectivity options. Narrator, the Piazza is packed with the latest technology to keep you connected, informed, and safe. From its intuitive touchscreen interface to its advanced driver assistance systems, this SUV offers a truly modern driving experience. Safety. Visual, clips showcasing the Piazza's safety features, including its airbags, collision avoidance systems, and lane departure warnings. Narrator, your safety is our top priority. The Piazza is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features designed to protect you and your passengers on every journey. Conclusion. Visual, a montage of the Piazza's best features and highlights. Narrator, the 2025 Isuzu Piazza is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of innovation, style, and performance. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines luxury, technology, and capability, the Piazza is the perfect choice. Call to action. Narrator, to learn more about the 2025 Isuzu Piazza and schedule a test drive, visit your local dealership today. Note, this script provides a general outline. You may need to adjust it based on specific features, performance data, and marketing strategies for the 2025 Isuzu Piazza.